Now we're gonna add the bulkhead on there. I've already pre-drilled the holes. You want to make sure it's flush. There's one. There's two. Okay. So now you can see we started to build the bulkhead over. So just push it flush. Okay. Push it over there. Now we'll take measurements across. We're going to go across here, come down, and then cut straight across. Okay. So as you can see, we're about 11.5 inches or so. Plus I've got a little bit over here. So if I cut 11 3/4, we should see it. We'll see how it goes. And since I'm going to be out there, I might as well take a measurement for here. So we have it about 8.5. 8.5. Okay, so now we're going to take the 11.5 inch measurement right here. You're going to want to use a level or a angle triangle. That way it's good. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to cut the 8.5 inch. Okay, perfect. The 11.5 inch was way too short. So we're going to have to go cut another one. Okay, we'll measure out a 12 inch. We'll try that. You know what? Let's go 12.5. Hopefully this works. Let's go. And the moment of truth. Let's see if this thing fits. She's real tight. It's real tight. Way too tight. I think if we cut off just a smidge, if we cut off just a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna eyeball it here. I'm gonna take off just a little bit. Just a little bit. That should be good. Moment of truth. All right, it's tight, but I'm okay with it. It's tight, but I'm okay. That should be fine. Okay, now the other piece. It's looking pretty good. We'll see when we get the other piece going across here if it's going to fit or not. As you can see, it's coming up a little too high. So I'm going to have to take this off and chop that a little bit. I made the markings up there, that way I can see where the 2x4 is going. So I'll create the next bulkhead after this. Okay. So it's about 19.5 to 20. So I'm going to cut 20. Okay, so we're going to do a cut on the piece of the bulkhead. Okay, then we're going to cut 20. And my pencil broke, so we're improvising. Now we're going to re-add the piece back. Okay. Now I'm just going to make sure of our cuts. So we obviously need a longer tooth here. Maybe 21.5. But I also have to cut this stud over here. So I'm going to line up the piece and then make the cut. I cut it a little bit long. That way I know that I didn't cut too short.